Have you ever heard of the sunflower theory? It's said that when you give someone sunflowers, you're offering them more than just something beautiful. During the day, sunflowers naturally turn toward the sun. They seek the light, they grow in it, they thrive because of it. But what's even more meaningful is what happens when the sun disappears. When night falls and the light is gone, sunflowers don't just fade into darkness, they turn toward each other. As if in the absence of light, they learn to find it within one another. So when you give someone a sunflower, maybe what you're really saying is this: in your brightest moments, I celebrate your light. And in your darkest ones, I'll be there, reminding you that you're not alone, that we can be the light for each other. And isn't that what we're all searching for? Not just someone to stand with us in the sunshine, but someone who stays even when it's dark.